In this video, we are going to see how we can insert a checkbox in Google Docs. It's pretty quick and easy. So let's jump right in. First of all, you have to decide wherever you want to place that checkbox. Ideally, it should be at the start. The cursor should flash at the start somewhere. And then you have to click on the More tab where you see a couple of more options. Here's the checklist option. You just click on this and it will insert a quick checkbox. If you would like to select the other type, you can select that. Let's say this is option 1. Let's hit enter, and the other one should be option 2. Option 2, hit enter. And if we check this one, it will be shown like this. But if we change all of these types to, let's say, first one, because whenever you change the type, all of the checkboxes style will change to the simple one. So let's say if we want to switch to the striked out checkbox style, we have to click on this. And as you can see, as soon as we check on this, it will be cancelled out just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.